Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be doing this soft, very sultry kind of matte brown eyeshadow look. So 2 videos ago, I will link that video here, but it was a haul and I had this makeup look on and somebody in the comment section requested this look, so I thought I would film it because I've actually wanted to get it up for a while. And I was just super happy to film this for you guys. So if you would like to know how I got this look, then just keep on watching. So for primer for this look, I really struggle with staying matte throughout the day, so I want to go in with a mattifying one. And I'm just working that mostly in the center of my face because that's where I get the oiliest. So while that sinks in, I'm just going to move on to my eyes. Because we're using dark colors, I want to do my eyes first just in case there's any fallout from the eyeshadow. I won't have to worry about cleaning anything up. So because I want this to last all day, I'm going to prime my lids first. This will just provide a base for the eyeshadow, so it kind of gives it something to hold on to, and then it also helps the eyeshadow to not crease throughout the day and last longer. And then I just set my crease with some translucent setting powder, because if you don't set this down with powder first, the eyeshadow on top of it can just kind of stick and look a bit patchy because it doesn't have a smooth blending canvas to work with. So I'm starting out with the crease and I'm just taking my bronzer, and you can use whatever bronzer that you have, and I'm just working this into my crease. Then I'm actually just going to do my brows quickly because I prefer to have them done when I'm doing my eyes. And when you're doing a heavier eyeshadow look, having slightly heavier brows really helps with framing the look. Okay, now onto the dark color that I'm going to be having on my lids. You can take any kind of dark matte brown eyeshadow that you have, but today I'm taking this one from this MatteTrimony eyeshadow palette. And I'm really just taking this shorter square eyeshadow brush just to pack on that color, and I'm going to start packing it on at the base of my lashes and really just patting it in. Because I really want the color to be dense. So if I took a fluffier brush, I'd really just be sweeping the color all around, but I really want the color to be dark and intense, especially closer to the lashes. And then you just kind of work it up towards the crease, but it just kind of fades in color. And then you basically just repeat the process until you're happy with the intensity and the way the color's looking. Okay, so that's looking like a pretty good base. So if you want to add more colors and blend out a bit later once the rest of the makeup is done, then you can always do that. But I'm pretty happy with how the lid and the crease is looking right now. So now I'm just going to apply my liner, and I'm just doing a really thin line at my lashes because I really like how soft and sultry this is. So I don't want to do any kind of sharp crease because I like this blended look a bit more. And then I'm applying my mascara just on my top lashes so that when I apply my falsies, the mascara is dry. Okay, now onto the face. The foundation that I'm using today is this one from Tarte, and I'm just going to dot this all over my face. So to correct the darkness under my eyes here, I'm just using this peach corrector from Bobbi Brown. And this will just provide just that extra layer of coverage so that the discoloration under my eyes won't really peek through the concealer. Then I'm going to conceal everywhere where I want to highlight my face. So mostly in the center of my face and under my eyes. Okay, then before I do anything else, I just want to set all of the concealer in place. So I'm mostly just setting in the center of my face. Okay, now onto my lower lash line. I just want to take the same bronzer that I used in my crease on my lower lash line as my first color. Then again, taking that dark matte brown shade, and I'm just going to work this into the outer third of my eye and really, really close to the lashes. And then before I forget, mascara on my lower lashes. And then I'm just going to set my brows in place so that they don't move. And then I definitely want to add lashes to this look because the eyes are so heavy that I want my lashes to look a bit more dramatic than my natural ones. Okay, so I think I want to add a black liner to my waterline just because I feel like it needs a little bit more smokiness there. Okay, so I think that looks better. I just added it on the outer half of my eye. Okay, now to bronze up my face. A really good trick to make this look even more cohesive is to take the same bronzer that you used on your eyes and use that to bronze up your face. So that's what I'm gonna do. Then for blush, I'm just going to add a touch of it to my cheeks. Then for highlights, I'm just going to highlight the tops of my cheeks and then the bridge of my nose, and then on my cupid's bow slightly. And then for lips, I just added this pinky nude lip liner because I think this soft kind of baby pink color goes really, really well with the eyes. And then to make it look slightly more natural and a tiny bit glossy, I'm just adding my favorite lip balm on top. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it and that you learned something. Don't forget to tag me or comment down below if you try this look out. I would love, love, love to see your makeup looks. Don't forget to check the description box. I list every single product that I use in there as well as other useful information. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video if you enjoyed it and if you would like to see more of me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!